My people, you na well done. My name na Dr. Toyin. Today na World Parkinson Day because April 11 na the birthday of Dr. James Parkinson, and na him first talk about the disease more than 200 years ago. This day, Parkinson Day, then they put torch, shine light on Parkinson's disease because more than 10 million people for the world get this thing. So whether you know person with Parkinson or you just want know about am, today na the day when you go know about am. So on this day, we go stand with all the people when get the disease, those when they take care of them, people when they do research, and even people when want help people with Parkinson's. Make we push for better care and for cure. Make you stay tuned, make you learn more about this Parkinson's. So this Parkinson's na wetin dem dey call neurodegenerative disorder. E mean say small small the brain no go dey do well, especially that place when dey help you move. And usually is one chemical when dem dey call dopamine. That one e no dey well. So dopamine normally e go make you move smooth and make you dey motivated, but as e no dey now, you go come get this Parkinson's. Commonly you go get wetin dem dey call tremors, you go come dey move slowly, you go come stiff, and you go come get problems with balance. But Parkinson's na more than movement. E fit affect sleep, mood, memory, and more. So wetin be the things when you go watch if to say you see these things, quick quick make you go meet doctor. One na if you get tremor for one hand, your hand go just dey shake. Two, if you notice say as you dey write, the thing go just dey small dey small. Three, if e be say you no fit dey smell again. Four, if when you dey waka, e be like say you dey shuffle. Five, if to say when you stand, you go just come down somehow. Six, na when your voice dey soft or e dey hoarse somehow. If you see you say yourself or somebody dey get these things, abeg make you see health person kia. Even though dem no get cure yet, Parkinson's dem fit manage the things. One, dem fit give you medicine wey go fit put that dopamine. Remember that chemical wey I talk about for your body. Two, you fit do physical and occupational therapy when be say dem go help you move or dem go adapt your house make you fit do some things even with this Parkinson's. Three, dem fit do some surgery when dem dey call deep brain stimulation. And four, you fit get support from specialists, caregivers, and community people. E get one blue flower when dem dey call tulip. Na im dem dey take represent this Parkinson's awareness. So if to say you see that blue tulip, that blue flower, know say that flower, e mean say the people get strength, unity, and hope. Abeg, make we continue to talk about this Parkinson's, not just today, but every day. I hope say you don enjoy this video about Parkinson's disease. No forget to subscribe to my channel. Make you watch am well well, make you share this video with your friends. And until next time, smile because e dey healthy. And make sure say you support person when get Parkinson's. Una bye bye yo.